pointing to the maintenance plan. So Melody asked, an asset register is much more detailed than the 10-year maintenance plan. Concerned this is likely to impact on value of the owner's asset, a buyer negotiation, which you've kind of touched on as well. Is the asset list and repair list going to be separated from the overall maintenance plan?
My answer would be no. We put them all together. There are different contractors that handle these things different ways. We always put them together, so the report is broken up. As I mentioned, the asset register is really important. The condition and whatever repair works are required now. Plus then there's also the end of life, so when it needs to be replaced. I don't see any benefit from trying to separate them. If anything, to me, it makes sense to have them all together. I have had people ask, do we want to show people what we need to spend, as in trying to hide it? And I wouldn't recommend that, and I don't think that's a very good way forward. So, for example, people have asked me not to include reports on the condition of the roof and those types of things because they know they need to be spent. So to me, I have a duty of care when I'm engaged to do something, so I need to do it to the best of my ability. So to me, it all should be included. The more information, the better. And you really can't put a plan together if you don't have that asset register. You need that asset register to understand what it is that needs to be maintained.